Well, hi guys. The following is going to be a little bit about saving money for a small farmer. Previous video I said I needed a set of tires for the front end of the Oliver because the tires were bad. And as some of you seen in the comments, I said I got them from Wal Mart, which is a little unusual, but there's a pair, brand spanking new, Carlisle, 616, 6-ply, made in America. That's the best part. As you see in the video, these are 53 bucks a piece. Now I could have gone to the local tire shop and spent, $92 a piece, or order these from Walmart and go get them. That's what I chose to do. With the range of 82 to 96 for this same tire, one place was 85. Well, that's $32 each cheaper getting them from Walmart. I'll get them from Walmart every time. A small farmer has to save every dime he can, and this is one of the ways you do it. Is stuff like this. Now I've got a tire changer, and I'm going to be mounting this up here in just a few minutes, so stick around. Like I say, they're brand new, never used. And you can kind of see for yourself. Carlisle, made in America, 600 by 16 SL, and they are 6-ply tires. There's the good old stuff from Wally World. I know it says it somewhere on it. They're 6-plies. Yeah, right there. Yeah, it's where you can see it. 6-ply rated. Max inflation is 52 pounds. So, yep, I'll take them. So, we'll be back here in a few minutes and I'll be mounting one of them up. So hang on guys, we'll be right back. Well, hi guys, we're back. This is a continuation of this video. Now, like I said, being a small farmer, you have to look for every way you can to save money. Now, one of the ways I did it, and I mentioned in the previous video, was that I bought a set of tires from Walmart for my tractor. And it's real easy to find. Get you to where you can see all this. Whoops. Go to this little doodad up here in the corner. Click it. Scroll down until you see Auto Tires and Industrial. Go up, click Tires. Okay, scroll down, shop by category. Hit See More over here. Click it. Scroll down, Farm Tractor Tires, and voila. Here's the listing for the tires I bought. Carlisle F2 Farm Tire 616, $53.80 each. Now, before going there, I had gone to Miller Tire, and found, whoops, I clicked the wrong one. Go back. Tractor tire front. 616. And there is the exact same tire. 616 Carlisle 3-rib front 6-ply. 85 bucks. $32 a piece higher than Wal Mart. I needed a pair. $62 is $62 no matter what you say. I'll buy them from Wal Mart. It's kind of a no-brainer. And I did not just go to Miller. I went to several tire store websites. I called tire stores, and this same tire averages from $82 to $95 or $96, 96. That's a big difference from 53. So that's why I bought them. Again, this is a way a small farmer saves money. I know a lot of people just go to the tire shop. I need this, yada 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 size, put it on. Well, I can't afford to do that. So this is the kind of stuff I do. And if you go back to Wal Mart and you go into what they have, they don't have a huge selection of tires, but they have a lot of implement tires, specialty tires, 816 tractor tread for a lot of different applications. 6x12, 7x14, 9.5/24 for a manure spreader, 950/16s. I got skid steer tires, 1016.5 Carlisle Construction, 144 bucks. Hey, they're good tires, and they'll last. And as you can see, they've got, well, there's 412 implement, 12.5/15. The kind of the list goes on. They don't have a great big selection of stuff, but they do have tires listed. So, it's just one of those things that you have to do as a small farmer, especially where money is always tight, but you need stuff. You look around. So we'll get back to the video, guys. So hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Something I do to new tires or mount them up is put some baby powder on them. In them, actually. It really helps to kind of lubricate the tire. And I know that y'all are going to think I'm crazy for that, but a little baby powder inside makes a lot of difference. one of those things I do to make the job easier now and down the road. As far as making the tire more user-friendly and getting the tube in gives some a little bit of lubrication, you might say, inside the tire, and it doesn't stick. We've all been there and had tires stick trying to get them on and off, so oh, mosquito quit. A little bit of my own concoction as far as what I put on to lube the tire up to get it on the rim. It is not Armor All. Come on, get in there. Now, this is a lifesaver. Give me a moment. I'm going to do the same thing. Well, I don't know what happened there. I don't know how much you got to see. But as you can see, I've got the tire mounted. And it's basically ready to go back on the tractor. Be right back. Forgot me tire gauge. Now granted, most people don't have a tire changer like this. I bought this one 15 years ago, and it has saved me so much money and come in so handy over the years. It paid for itself the first month I had it. That ought to do her just fine. But it's the little things you can do to make your job simpler. You know, putting talcum powder inside of it to lubricate the inside of the tire and the tube. That way it can move on each other and not cause a problem. But there we have one brand new tire and tube mounted, ready to go on the tractor. And that, boys and girls, is how you save yourself money. And as I say, it's when you're a small farmer, this is the kind of stuff you do. I could have had the tire shop do these. $10 a tire to dismount and mount. I could have bought the tires from the tire shop at 32 or higher each. There's a lot of things I could have done. I chose to do them the way it cost me the least amount. Henceforth this. This is how I do things. This is how I make money farming. I don't hire my mechanic work done, I do it myself. The only things I hire done is the spraying of herbicides and the trucking of my crops to the market. Yes, I could buy a truck and do it myself, 300, 350, 400 bushel at a time, but in the end, I've gained nothing. I've lost time and I've lost money. So I put them in wagons, I get a truck, semi-truck loaded, I send them out. But, enough of me babbling about that. This is about this. Right here. Saving money. Doing it yourself tires. It's what I've done all my life, and that's what I'll continue to do because I know how to do it. So, if you like, and you agree with me, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And like I said, this is not for everybody. This is what I do. This is how I get by. This is how I make money on the farm by doing it myself. You know, $60, $62, $64 for the tires themselves. Plus, you know, I saved close to $100 doing what I just did. So we'll see you next time, guys. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Well, hi, guys. I've been asked this question several times by people wanting to know, how do you change tires on the front end of a tractor, a narrow front? And it's really quite simple. You run the tire that's not flat up on a 2x4 block with a couple of, you know, small blocks under it to raise it up. Gets the weight off of the flat tire, say this one, and onto the other one. And it's just a matter of and that is that. Simple. And put the new one on. And hopefully it's the same height. Well, come on. And it had to move, of course. And that's it. Job is done. Not a hard job. It just takes a moment or two, figure out what you're going to do, and do it. Now I can get the other tire mounted on this rim because they're matching rims that are painted up, and matching brand new tires back on the front, and the old girl can go back to work. So we'll see you next time, guys, and as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. This is how a small farmer saves money. Buying tires at Wal Mart, mounting them yourself, you get the idea. But we'll see you next time, guys, and hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Okay, guys, I'll add this to it. To get the tractor where you can take the other wheel off once you got a new one on, you do the reverse. You put a long block and two short ones under this side and back up. Let's see if we can do this. And there you have it. Now your other side, didn't go far enough. Well, that's no matter. We'll get it out of there in a moment. But at any rate, guys, that's how you do her. So we'll see you next time. We'll see you here in a bit. Well, hi guys. We're going to do another one. I don't know how much of the other video I got, so we're going to do this one. And check it out. One tube. One tire ready for a plow. Or whatever else I need. Trim feels pretty clean. Piece of cake. Be back in just a moment. Okay. We have the other new tire. As I did in the other video, baby powder. I always like on new tires with tubes to put baby powder in them to give it some lubrication as we put it together. Now, this does a couple of different things. It gives the tire some lube as far as getting the tire mounted, you know, and also to give some lubrication between that tire and tube, so if it has to move, it can. Now, this is my own concoction of tire slime, and no, it is not Armor All. It's my own little concoction I put on, rub it on, and it really does help. Now, I do things just a tad differently than most people mounting. I put it on halfway with this, but I prefer to finish it by hand. A whole lot simpler. chance of pinching tubes. Now, normally, put a new tube in it. However, for some strange reason, tubes have got extremely crazy in price. And I do mean crazy. A tube a couple of months ago uptown was a mere 12 bucks. Today it's 25. So I don't know quite what the deal is. But yes, I do make a mess putting tubes in. But it's my own way. And I don't have problems out doing it. Come on. You got a cross thread? Those little things come in so handy. Now, like I say, I like to do it this way. I like to do it this way. That way, I know if the tube gets pinched, how it got pinched. And who did it? Me. You know, it's my own personal preference to do them this way. You can do them however you want. Makes no difference to me. Been to enough tire stores over the years, and I've seen more than my fair share of idiots trying to mount tires. And purposely pinch tubes to sell them. But, as you can see, if you got the equipment, it's not that hard of a job. This is by far the best thing I ever bought. As far as something saving me time and money. Because it has, believe me. But like I said, this is what you do to save yourself money, to save time. It's all the little things you can do to make your job, you know, as a farmer, simpler. A little too much. That'll work. Little things that you can do like I say, saves you money, saves you time. This tire changer, I think $350 for it on eBay. That's $350 I ever spent. Now I can do my own tires, my own wheels repairs when I need them. And voila! One tire mounted, less than 10 minutes. And I've never changed tires professionally. I've watched enough guys to see what they do and how they do it. I bought the tire changer, and guess what? I can change tires now. We'll see you here in a bit, guys. We're going to go put this one on after I do a little cleanup. So hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back to do the other side. Like I say, this is a fairly simple job. Be a pain in the butt, but oh, they should have known this. It's always fun to start them when they're off the ground like this. Like I say, always a challenge. If it wasn't, we wouldn't know what to do. come on here. Finally. First one's always the biggest pain. But if it wasn't a pain, I don't know if I know how to do it or not. And that's it. And now, the auger has new tires on. So guys, I'm going to wrap this up now. Time to put everything up and close everything up and call it a day. I'm hot, I'm tired, and it's time to call it. It's about 6:30, so we'll see you next time. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. We'll see you next time, guys. Old girl's got new skins on. And now she's ready to go back to work. We'll see you next time, guys.